A very good day to all parents and welcome to today's activity for the Parents as Co-Educators program. The activity for today is breathing colors. This activity will help improve the ability of the child to focus through meditation. Today's activity can be performed by the student as well as the parent simultaneously, as it is beneficial for both of them. The first step is to sit in a comfortable position. You could sit on a chair or you could sit on the floor cross legged. Next, make sure that your back is straight and your child's back is straight, and place your hands on the knees in front of you or under your belly in the position shown in the presentation. We start this activity with a couple of deep breaths. Post that, breathe normally. You could give a count of 3 for breathing in, pause for a second, and then count down 3, 2, 1 for breathing out. While we do this, our objective is to focus on the breathing and feel the air move in and move out. It is natural that the mind wanders off into various thoughts. We do not try to stop these thoughts, we simply acknowledge them and divert our attention back to the breathing process. This is difficult initially, but with a couple of tries, you would be able to achieve it. Ask the child to imagine a color which they relate with positivity, which makes them feel relaxed, confident, and strong. For example, I relate these emotions with the color green. Also, ask them to imagine a color which they associate with negativity, a color which makes them feel stressed and drained out. For example, I relate these emotions with the color red. Next, ask them to imagine that the air in the surroundings is filled with the positive color, which is green in my case. Ask them to imagine as they breathe in, they are filling their lungs up with this positivity, the positive color. And as they breathe out, they are releasing the negativity. And the air they breathe out is of the negative color. For example, red in my case. This color then disappears into the surrounding positivity. I urge that you repeat this activity at least 10 times or continue doing so for at least 10 minutes. It must be noted that the colors selected are not of any relevant importance here. After completing the activity, discuss the following questions with the students. Were the students able to concentrate on their breathing? Were they breathing fast or slow? Were they able to imagine as they breathe in and breathe out, the colors flow in and out? What happens as they breathe in and out? Do they feel anything different? That is all for today's activity. We would encourage you to share a photograph or a video of your child performing this activity. In case of any doubts or suggestions, you can text us on our WhatsApp number that has been provided on the screen. Thank you.